is up mga ka-insekto. So try natin pakainin si Sanemi today. Huling feeding nito was 3 days ago. So feeling ko kakain na to. Let's go. Lumapit pa nga. Easy takedown ka tuloy. Shut up na ulit ako. Enjoy watching. Ayos, busog si Sanemi. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.